Program activated.
ICT tools to communicate, create and disseminate, store and manage information. In some contexts, ICT has also become integral to the teaching-learning interaction through such approaches as replacing chalkboard with interactive digital whiteboard, using students' own smartphones or other devices for learning during class time, and the flipboard classroom model where students watch lectures at home on the computer and use classroom time for more interactive exercises. Digital culture and digital literacy. Computer technologies and other aspects of digital cultures have changed the way people live, work, play, and learn, impacting the constructions and distribution of knowledge and power around the world. Teachers need a specific professional development opportunities in order to increase their ability to use ICT for formative learning assessment, individualized instructions, assessing online resources, and for fostering students' interaction and collaboration. Such training in the ICT should positively impact teachers' generally studies towards ICTs in the classroom, but it also provide a specific guidance in ICT teaching and learning within each discipline. Without this support, teachers tend to use ICT for skills-based application, limiting students' academic thinking. To support teachers as they change their teaching, it is also essential for education managers, supervisors, teachers, educators, and decision makers to be trained in ICT use. Information and communication technologies for development refers to application of information and communication development towards social, economics, and political development, with a particular emphasis on helping poor and marginalized people and communities. It aims to help the international development by bridging the digital divide and providing equitable access to technologies. It's grounded in the new notions of development, growth, progress, and globalization, and is often interpreted as use of technology to deliver a good. Another similar terms to use in literature is digital development. Draw on the theories and framework from many disciplines, including sociology, economics development studies, library, information science, and communication studies. Grew out of the attempt to use emerging computing technologies to improve condition in the developing countries, according to a paper of Krista Highfield. As internet connectivity spread and cell phone usage spread even further, there are millions of new potential content creators gaining access to social media each year. It's formalized through a series of reports, conferences, and funding initiatives that act as key policy-making venues. The 19th World Development Report from the World Bank highlighted the role of knowledge and ICT development. A report from 8GB Opportunities Task Force concluding that ICT plays a key role in modern human development, that the World Summit on the Information Society held in Geneva 2003, Tunis in 2005. At least 3 phases can be identified in evaluation processes.